Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your blocked players list and unblock users on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the main Steam window appears, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Go ahead and hover your mouse over your username and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Friends to access your Steam Friends management area. Now that you're in the Friends section, take a look at the left sidebar where various options are listed. You'll see categories like Online Friends, All Friends, and other filtering options. Among these, locate and click on the Blocked option. This is where Steam keeps track of all the players you've chosen to block, preventing them from interacting with you on the platform. Clicking this will immediately display your complete blocked players list, showing you everyone you've restricted from contacting or interacting with you. You'll now see a full list of all the players you've previously blocked. This list includes their usernames and profile information, giving you a clear overview of who's been restricted from your Steam account. If you're here just to review who's on your blocked list, you can simply browse through the names. However, if you've decided it's time to give someone a second chance and want to unblock them, look to the right side of the screen where you'll find a button labeled Manage Blocked List. Click on this button to enter the management interface where you can make changes to your blocked players. In the management interface, you'll see your blocked players displayed with checkboxes next to each name. This layout makes it easy to select one or multiple players you want to unblock. Locate the player you wish to unblock and simply check the box next to their name. You can select multiple players at once if you want to unblock several people simultaneously, which saves time if you're cleaning up your blocked list. After you've selected the player or players you want to unblock by checking their boxes, click the Unblock button to finalize your decision. Steam will process your request and remove these players from your blocked list, which means they'll now be able to send you friend requests, messages, and interact with you on the platform again. The changes take effect immediately, so the unblocked players will instantly regain the ability to contact you. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your blocked players list and learned how to unblock users on Steam whenever you decide to give them another chance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.